In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add desktop audio using the audio output capture feature in OBS Studio. Whether you're new to OBS Studio or looking to enhance your setup, understanding how to capture desktop audio can significantly enrich your streaming or recording experience. Let's get started by opening the OBS Studio app on your computer. OBS Studio is a powerful, open-source software used for video recording and live streaming. It's widely appreciated for its flexibility and robust features. Now that we have it open, let's dive into setting up desktop audio. Look at the bottom of the OBS interface and locate the sources box. This area is vital, as it's where you'll add the different inputs that make up your video stream. Sources can be anything from video captures, images, text, and of course, audio input and output. Once we're set in this section, click inside the Sources box. Now you'll see a small plus icon labeled Add Source. Go ahead and click on that. This option allows you to add a new source to your streaming setup, and it's crucial for capturing the output sounds from your computer, such as music, system sounds, or any audio you intend to broadcast or record. From the menu that appears after you click the plus icon, you'll want to choose Audio Output Capture. This setting is specifically designed for grabbing any audio output from your computer. By selecting this, you're telling OBS to include any sound that goes through your computer's speakers or headphones in your stream or recording. A new window will pop up, allowing you to give your source a name. Naming sources is handy for keeping things organized, especially if you plan to have multiple audio inputs. You'll then see a drop-down menu for selecting your output device. OBS may automatically choose your system's default output device, but you can change it if you have multiple options. Select the device from which you want to capture the sound. This could be speakers, headphones, or whatever device you're using. This flexibility is great because it allows you to tailor your audio setup right from within OBS. Once your output device is selected, click OK to confirm your choices and close out of the menu. You'll see your new audio output capture source appear in the sources box. At this point, if any sound plays through the selected output device, the audio level should reflect in the OBS audio mixer, which is located alongside the sources box. So there you have it. You've successfully added desktop audio to your OBS Studio configuration using audio output capture. This process ensures all the audio from your computer is included in your stream or recording, making your content much more engaging and dynamic. Stay tuned for more OBS Studio tips and tricks, and happy streaming!